All right, let's see what else we got here. We got the bounce and NQ. Is this the short? Was that just a bigger pullback? It's a good short off of value area low. NQ to the tick. Is that a rejection? Kind of a consolidation up here. You don't want to short right into the bottom of this range either. Are we at we're not at, so 56 and a half. $56.5 is monthly VWAP. We're struggling at this value area low. Kind of an interesting place to get in a little bit, but you know, I don't know. RTY. Yep. Breaking into weekly value area. Still below VWAP on the week, well below monthly value area. So some dissonance on that one. I'd like to see a rejection on NQ here. Off of weekly VWAP. This 56.5, almost to the tick, is weekly, monthly VWAP. Back down to lows. Stop me out, break even here. Took a short off of this monthly VWAP. Kind of retesting. Take some risk off here. All right, I close that one. We might be going higher now. Just NQ went up to monthly VWAP and bounced off to the tick. Gold is at lows. This is a true trending day. We probably won't be able to reclaim value on NQ. Sure looks like NQ wants to retest those lows. I feel like NQ is playing out real slow, like. Let's see, Russell. That's an interesting short. Out, yeah. I could be retesting here. I don't know. Oil struggling on value area high and weekly VWAP here. Gold still hanging out at lows. See that, Mr. Bouillon? Let's do that. Took a little stab long here. Got to break above this monthly VWAP here. $56. Here it goes. It's testing. Still a lot of buyers here. Plunge protection team in effect here on NQ. We can get a nice little pop up the VWAP if we break through this level. There it goes. Oil still struggling at value area high and weekly value area low. Gold just looks like it wants to dump. But it ain't dumping. Big divergence too on gold. Not tanking. Yeah. And the selling is slowed down, and the cumulative delta is really interesting. Not very many sellers down here though either. Got my purge. Ooh. We're not really getting any bounces on gold though, so not really interested in taking that long unless it shows some real strength. Looks like NQ rejected. Oil inventories. Yep. I'm looking short in NQ here. Stop at this high. It looks like it's trending up, but this is the monthly VWAP. We broke above it, failed. Kind of digging it. Buyers slowing down here. A little bit of a lower high being put in on the delta. I like the chart on the 15-minute on NQ. Gotta be patient. It's chopping around this area here. Sucking in somebody. We just don't know who. I'd like to think it's longs. A lot of aggressive dip buyers. Got to break lower here. Come on. Nice. Now patience. Took a partial cover there. I have 10 micros. I covered 4 there. The value area low. Stop at break even. Hoping we reach this next pivot low. I'll take my second scale. And then my third scale is down by lows. Can't lose on the trade now. I've already made money. Come on, lower. Bah. I took a partial cover on that one before I got stopped out. Now it's trying to break above again. Looking long now if we could hold above this level. Flip and bias. There we go. Beauty. All right, what else we got going on, guys? That's interesting. I like that, actually, for the confirmation here. But it had a lot of trouble at that area, though, didn't it? You looking to fade it? Okay, cool. Yes, a VWAP. And IB high. Sure looks like ES wants to close the gap. Yeah. Yeah, no positions right now. I'm watching ES. See if we can break above IB high and VWAP. Looks like we're bouncing off it right here. Nice, infamous. The long? Yeah, I mean, you got good confirmation of value area high there, didn't you? Yeah, I'm watching ES breaking through here. Nice little position. If we can keep breaking through, break above IB high. It's our second test. I like it. Beauteous. We'll be right back. Looks like ES is being rejected again at VWAP. We'll see. I gotta stop over this pivot low. Yes, came all the way back on me. Bastard. See if it still holds here. Still like the cumulative delta here. A lot of buyers. Patience. Patience pays is what they say. Back in the money, but we gotta get back over VWAP and stay above VWAP. And I got orders all the way up to value area high on this one. Go. Still like the trade. So where I got in on this one was we hit that VWAP, IB high, rejected. I took this first momentum retrace with a higher low, I mean, with a stop underneath. Hopefully we get the break. The risk reward is nice, but doesn't seem like it wants to break, so. If anybody's shorting here at VWAP, though, they haven't really let him out, so that's the good news. So if we do break and run, it could really run nice for the squeeze play to the long side. And Q's selling off, though, here a little bit. Ash, what are you looking at? Gold? That's weird. No trade, though? Oh. You didn't tell us. We've been watching. You didn't tell us that you took the trade. Here you go. We're at opening print on ES. Well below opening print on IQ. So mixed market. ES is down a little over 0.5%. NQ is down 1.2. Twice as much. So there's relative strength in ES. So ES is kind of rotational here. Another attempted VWAP here on ES, maybe? Here goes. Come on. Looking for that big break. $16 ticks in the money on this one so far on the yes. Can't seem to get the big move. Come on. It's holding above VWAP. Let's go to value area high. Or actually, no, 75. So, yeah. Here we go. 20 ticks. Super patient on this one, guys. All right, well, my stop's now at VWAP. Or just under it if we come back to confirm, but this thing's got to run or I'm out at this point. This is like the third attempt. Cumulative delta is looking nice. It's confirming the move. But we can't seem to go much higher. Gotta squeeze them shorts. Squeeze them shorts. Here it goes. Good. 25 ticks. Moving stop up, locking in profits. Here we go. I think 75. Yeah, this is about as high as I want to go, guys. This is Value area low on the week. So that was a good trade. Took that for about 30 ticks in ES. Okay. Yeah, it was a good one. That took a long time. But, you know, it could still go from here, but, you know, that was a natural profit taking point for me right here. Value area low on the week. Yep. Weekly value area low. Exactly, Kaufman. I've been trading micros this morning, which I usually don't, and it's been really nice, actually. A lot less lower stress. I can give it wider stops, let it run in my direction a little bit, and scale out along the way. So almost all of these have them. Gold has them. Oil has them. ES, NQ, they all have them. You know, mentally we all want, like, you know, the big profits, but the problem is the risk side of the equation. You know, when you have limited risk capital to deal with, especially in like some of these combines and Top Step and Apex and all this kind of stuff, you just can't have the big losers. It's not conducive. You need to keep risk relatively small, and when you get a winner, you got to kind of juice it a little bit. Yeah, absolutely. It's not as fun as trading full-size contracts, don't get me wrong, but, you know, am I here to have fun or am I here to make money? No, they're not. I can have fun and make money at the same time. But comparatively, I would say micros are not as fun, but here we are. You are getting some resistance, Kaufman, at this weekly value area low. This is where I took my profits. I'm sure other longs are getting the same idea. Might get a little retracement back to IB. I think that was a good short to take. I expended a lot of mental capital taking that ES trade that I don't feel like jumping to another trade quite yet. Yeah, good job, bub. Nice trade. What's your entry level? You take it on ES? Yeah, right? Yeah. You know, and then you got an obvious stop out point. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this could be just a pullback confirmation move here before it breaks. Just broke VWAP, broke IB high. You know, it's breaking levels. So, good idea to join the action here. Or fade the action. If we're looking at a higher time frame. My theory is higher or lower. We got NQ pulled back the VWAP here. It's interesting. So look, we broke above and we held. Look at that chart. So this was initially resistance on NQ. This is the monthly VWAP. Hit it twice. Finally broke through, came back, confirmed, and ran. So pretty clean reads on NQ today, guys, if you're following this process. You know when you're right, you know when you're wrong. Have an idea and trade the action. Trade the price action. You know, so you might have... Let me clear this out a little bit. Actually, no. I like these here. So once we broke, you know, waiting for the pullback, you might have taken this first candle here off of IB mid. Maybe grab some profits. Maybe not. Put your stop to break even. You would have been stopped out. It would have held again. And then you could have taken the entry for a second time and you would have nailed it. Minimal risk each trade. NQ is moving very slow today. Anybody else notice that? Kind of like this long on NQ here. Yeah, we got a confirmation of VWAP here. Now it could still chop around here a little bit. So you got to manage your size. I took the long. This first momentum shift candle. Clear stop out level right here. Below VWAP. Now I'm in for 20, 30 ticks right here. 31. Scale out a little bit at this high. Now I'll move my stop to break even. It might come back, stop me out, which it did. I could get in again. Like, wait. So I didn't lose on that trade. Let the momentum shift. Let the sellers come in. Wait. I'll be right back, guys. See, well, I'm glad I got out of that trade, break even with partial profits, and sit and hold that thing, right? And now is this the... All right, I'm long again here. Oh, looks like this one's gonna stop me out. A little lost on this one. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I only have 2 micros, so $30 loss, maybe? How you doing over there, Cash? All right, I'm in an NQ long here. I gotta stop right below these candles here. Might stop me out. I only have 2 micros, so no stress. Very small loser. If it goes in my favor, I might add some more micros if it starts moving up again. But looks like we're gonna... It's trying to hold it. Cumulative delta does not look good. All right, I might flip short here, guys. Or I might just get chopped up. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Sure looks weak here. This is a key inflection point on the weekly. Value area low on the week. Higher. Yeah, it does look like it's going to break to the upside. I flipped. Took a big loss flipping, but now I've made it all back. There we go. Yeah, baby. See, it pays to flip bias, guys. You don't want to be married to the bias when things change. We couldn't hold below VWAP. I was short, thinking we were holding. We're not. We caught above it. We started getting momentum. I had to flip. Now I'm up 70 ticks. All right. Oil just grinding up. Gold just kind of chopping sideways. Some good price action on the indices. I think that's has offered. And oil. Gold has been kind of the chop master. Cash, what's going on with you? Okay. That was a nice move. So we got the chop. I went long on this candle. Took partial profits up here. Got out break even. We started breaking below what it appeared to be. You know, it never really held underneath. So, you know, this was a bad short that I took down here. Probably impatient short. I was jumping in. Should have waited for it to break and pull back and get in short, but I didn't. But when we started reclaiming and picking up momentum right around this, I reversed the position and rode it all the way up to here. So, not a bad play. Small winner actually, because of the reverse for the loser, but would have been. Thank you, Mr. Cash, Mr. Bouillon. Have a great day. Anybody watching YouTube, be sure to check out our live Discord below. We stream in there as well. And also, it's free. We do trade analysis and things of that nature in there. So give it a whirl. Sorry, we had an unexpected drop in the stream earlier. The platform, for whatever reason, just failed unexpectedly. But we got it back up running. That was a low volume move up, wasn't it, Coffee? Cumulative delta is still at a divergence here. We're just grinding out the shorts. Feels that way. NQ is also at opening print here. So we opened at 25. Gold, tight range, nothing interesting. Oil bounced off of monthly VWAP, and now it's below weekly VWAP. That's interesting. Glad you guys are checking us out on YouTube. Remember, check us out in the Discord link below. I'm not always really watching the YouTube chat, guys. I'm more active in the Discord chat. So if you want to participate, ask questions and engage, Discord's the spot to do it. Anybody else interested in oil short here? So, you know, we hit monthly VWAP, and then we came below weekly VWAP, and we're kind of trading below there now. Steve's looking along. Yeah, I mean, if we reclaim this 17 area and trade above it, that would be a good area to long. You know, these counter rotations have been so shallow. Not letting shorts out. But, you know, there'll be a better rotational pullback eventually. It's kind of due up here, to be honest with you. We'll see. Small size to start. I took 2 micros up here. Here goes. Little crack there. That crack got bought up. close after a small loss. I don't like how that wick got bought up. Might be your long there, Steve. Not interested though. Got to get through this. I'm not a fan of buying shallow pullbacks. The upside, like we have to make so much ground. I'm just not how I like to trade. What's up, Radkin? Welcome. Glad you could join us. I'll be around for a couple more minutes. Sorry, 11:30 here Eastern time. I traded really well this morning. Hit my profit target in my Apteros account and one trade on NQ. This can kind of also be the pullback I'm looking for. Let's see what happens here with oil. This is the level right here. NQ retesting opening print again. Ooh, staying up late there, huh? We got Japan in the house now. I know we got South Africa, UK. I think we got some Thailand. MD Trader's not with us today, but he's in Thailand. Who else we got? I'm in South Florida, close to Miami. Nice breakout. Did you catch that long, Steve? Nova Scotia. It's very pretty there. I'd love to visit. I'm supposed to go to Maine this weekend. This summer. Maybe we check out Nova Scotia. Ah, MD Trader. There you are. Lurking. MD Trader's lurking today. Yeah. That was a nice break of opening print on NQ. I closed it way too early. So opening print and well, yeah, opening print was like right here. So look at that resistance we came into. Right here. Boom. Still kind of at it. No, actually it's like 24.25. So it's actually right here. So that's opening print. Now we're holding above monthly VWAP. We're breaking into weekly value. We've held VWAP on the session. So we're looking strong, guys. NQ is looking strong, but you know, we're making these little rotations upward. It's kind of tough to trade at this point. The best move was here, which we caught. On ES, we had a similar. And I took profits right up here because we had weekly value area low. Green is green. All right, guys and girls. I think we have a female or two in the audience. Maybe not today. But I'm going to wrap it up here. Green in all my accounts. You know, I caught some flack on my YouTube comments the other day because I don't go into detail on my P&L. Whatever. There's a reason I specifically don't do that. I think psychologically, you know, it doesn't matter where everybody's P&L is at. It matters how well we trade, right? You know, I'm not here to flex P&L. I'm not here to, you know, I have good days, I have bad days like everybody else. And, you know, I let you know when I have bad days and I let you know when I have good days. But, you know, I show you what I'm trading. I hope it helps. But just because somebody gave me a tough time on that on YouTube, I'm not going to change what I think is the right way to do things and not get into the nitty gritty of flexing P&L and, you know, everybody's good. Even everybody here has their own nuances and ways of trading, you know, we don't need to get into, we're here to help, not psychologically mind screw each other by flexing P&L. You know, you have a bad red day, somebody else killed it. You know, that plays in your mind. You don't need that. What you need to do is focus on the rules and your trading plan and being disciplined. And that, at the end of the day, is what really matters. You know, most trading systems are profitable. It's how you execute them and the screen time and the experience. So anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. So I hope you had a good day, guys. If you continue trading, be safe out there. I'll be back tomorrow morning with Cash at 9:15 a.m. Of course, drop in trade analysis in the Discord. You guys are more than welcome to post your trades. We love to see them. See what you guys are trading, how you're trading, what your mentality is. You know, you guys should be journaling. So while you're journaling, just drop them in the Discord. That's when I'm doing it. I'm going through all my trades, picking out some good examples of both winners and losers. And, you know, we can all learn. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Keep the chat going in Discord. You know, I'm watching the market all day, regardless of what I'm doing. So have a great day, everybody.